The Model Y's 12-volt outlet operates on a separate low-voltage system, independent from the main high-voltage battery. This system provides power for accessories like phone chargers and emergency lights. A 15-ampere fuse protects this circuit from overload. If the outlet stops working, the fuse might be blown. The fuse box is located under the hood for easy access. To check the fuse, look for a broken wire inside. A good fuse has intact metal strips, while a blown fuse has gaps or dark marks. Always use proper tools to avoid damage. Use fuse puller tools to safely remove and replace the fuse. Insert a new 15-amp fuse of the same type, ensuring proper orientation. Test the outlet after replacement. The outlet connects through wiring harnesses to a dedicated 12-volt auxiliary battery. Voltage is regulated at 12-volt DC with amperage limits to prevent overload. Safety features shut down power if voltage drops too low. Several factors can cause a 12-volt outlet failure in the Tesla Model Y. The most common causes include overloading with high-draw devices, corrosion from moisture, and wiring defects. Overloading occurs when devices draw too much current, blowing the 15-amp fuse. Corrosion from moisture can degrade wire connections, increasing resistance. Wiring defects might include manufacturing flaws in the harness or improper connections. To troubleshoot, use a multimeter to check wiring continuity. Set to continuity mode and test resistance. It should be less than 1 ohm for good connections. Next, check your 12-volt battery voltage using the multimeter. A healthy battery should read above 12.6 volts when fully charged. When working with electrical components, always disconnect the 12-volt battery first. Avoid creating ground faults that could cause fires and use only insulated tools. For warranty preservation, consider professional servicing over DIY repairs. Tesla has implemented over-the-air software updates that address the 12-volt outlet issues. The latest version, 12.3.2, released in Q4 2025, includes built-in diagnostics that monitor fuse conditions and alert you through the vehicle's infotainment system. When a new update is available, you'll see it on your center screen. The system downloads and installs the update automatically, adding the diagnostic capabilities without requiring a service visit. To access the diagnostics, navigate to the Controls menu on your touchscreen, then select Service. Here you'll find diagnostic alerts that can indicate 12-volt system issues before they become major problems. If there's a fuse issue, you'll see a clear warning like, "Battery fuse requires replacement soon." The system provides specific guidance on whether it's safe to drive and when to schedule service. The diagnostics provide specific error codes that help identify the issue. For example, fuse failure codes point to blown fuses, while voltage readings indicate battery health. These alerts help you take action before the outlet completely stops working. You can also view diagnostic data through the Tesla app or vehicle interface, where energy consumption and system health are tracked. This monitoring helps you understand when maintenance is needed. These software diagnostics save you significant time and effort in troubleshooting, often identifying issues before they cause complete failure. Regular monitoring through Tesla's system keeps your Model Y's 12-volt outlet running reliably. Tesla initiated a voluntary recall, NHTSA ID 26V001, in December 2025 for Model Y vehicles from 2020 through 2024 due to defective wiring harnesses. If your vehicle is covered by the recall, schedule a service appointment to have the wiring harness replaced. To check if your Model Y is affected, visit Tesla's recall page or use the Tesla app and enter your VIN to verify eligibility. We'll walk you through how to check if your Model Y is affected and what to expect during the service. Let's examine a real-world case study from a 2023 Tesla Model Y owner in Florida. The owner plugged in a 20A compressor, which overloaded and blew the 15A fuse. They replaced the fuse, inspected the wiring for corrosion, and the outlet worked reliably for 18 months afterward. Another case study involves a 2022 Tesla Model Y owner in California who suffered intermittent power loss from a defective wiring harness. This was part of Tesla's recall program, and the issue was resolved by replacing the entire harness at a service center. To prevent future 12-volt outlet problems in your Tesla Model Y, avoid overloading the outlet by checking device amperage before use. Limit connections to low-draw accessories to prevent fuse blows. When performing maintenance, consider using eco-friendly tools to minimize environmental impact and align with sustainable automotive practices. Current trends in Tesla's approach focus on integrated diagnostics through over-the-air software updates. AI analyzes power draw patterns to predict and prevent failures before they occur. This shift toward predictive maintenance reduces downtime and repair costs while improving overall vehicle reliability. Looking ahead, future Tesla Model Y vehicles will feature universal lithium-ion 12-volt batteries instead of traditional lead-acid types. This upgrade is projected to reduce failure rates by 50% through improved reliability and efficiency. Tesla aims for zero auxiliary power failures by 2028 through full electrification of accessories and advanced modular wiring designs. Tesla engineers report that 80% of 12-volt outlet failures are user-induced, often from overloading or improper use. Automotive experts like those from Tesla Tech Tips emphasize that keeping your vehicle updated with over-the-air software fixes can reduce repair costs significantly. Professional servicing is strongly recommended to maintain your warranty coverage. Common mistakes to avoid include overloading the outlet with high-power devices and improper wiring of accessories, which can create serious fire hazards.